the old KLX300 mudding real quick. She did pretty good for that beat-ass tire. I can't wait to throw the new one on here. We're coming up on a fun creek crossing too, so I always like doing that. It's not quite as hard as that last little spot we were stuck at for a minute, because that spot's just super thick and soft and muddy. This spot's just a little more rocky. It's not too bad, not too muddy, but it's fun. We're coming up on it here. Alright, we're coming up on the creek crossing. It looks like Tyler scattered across it real quick. Uh-oh, let's see what happens here. It ain't too deep right now. You never know which way it's gonna throw you though. There you go. Yeah, sure. Oh yeah. Yeah. I didn't know what to expect today with my back, but them Advils are setting in and I'm feeling all right. Conditions are pretty nice. It's a fun day out here. Here's some big mud holes too, for sure. You want to go that way? We are hella lucky to have some of these trails out here right by the crib. But shoot, if you recognize the area, hit me up on Instagram, and if you got some little riding areas, maybe we'll trade spots, show you the spot here. I'm always looking for new spots to ride, especially local spots. that are free. I gotta be careful with these boys on 450s throwing big old rocks. I ain't got goggles on right now. Oh shit, it looks like we might have a train coming here. I can't tell if it's moving or not. Better hope he doesn't start going once we get on the train tracks. Now we made it over to the train track river crossing, that big old bridge I've been on over in some videos. This big hill climb here. Whoop! Whoop! Oh fuck! I really thought he was gonna clip that tree. Come on! Whoa! Alright, we gonna come out this way. They all make it. Alright, he good. Alright, well I think we're probably going to end that ride off here. That was a fun little ride actually. That turned out to be a good ride. Leave a like. Be sure to also leave a comment if you enjoyed. There they are. Subscribe for more videos. Come out with 3 a week. And other than that guys, thanks for watching.